On-screen text, how to join live stream on Telegram. Narrator, in the next 60 seconds, you'll see exactly how to join a live stream on Telegram. On-screen caption, Step 1, open Telegram. Narrator, Step 1, open the Telegram app on your phone or desktop. On-screen caption, Step 2, go to the channel. Narrator, next, open the channel or group where the live stream is hosted. On-screen caption, look for live tag. Narrator, look for a red live tag or a live stream banner at the top of the channel. On-screen caption, or check pinned message. Narrator, if you don't see it, check the pinned message for a live stream link or announcement. On-screen caption, tap the live banner. Narrator, once you spot the live stream banner or link, tap it to open the live stream preview. On-screen caption, Step 3, open live preview. Narrator, Telegram opens a live preview so you can see the title and host before you join. On-screen caption, Step 4, join the stream. Narrator, tap join or watch live to enter the live stream. On-screen caption, Step 5, adjust volume. Narrator, use your device buttons or on-screen slider to adjust the live stream volume. On-screen caption, Step 6, chat and reactions. Narrator, use the chat and quick reactions to send messages or emojis while watching. On-screen caption, leave anytime. Narrator, to leave, simply tap the back arrow or close button to exit the live stream. On-screen text, you're ready to join live. Narrator, that's it. You're ready to join any live stream on Telegram anytime in a few quick taps.